guys tomorrow. I'm sorry I missed I got on the closings late. I
Okay.
got on there for Kent. So I missed the beginning. If you have a recording, could I watch it?
Yeah, I have the recording. I can send that your way.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. I apologize. I just like I couldn't get to it
No, that's fine.
on time. I
Yeah,
was done.
Colorado has theirs this Thursday, I believe.
I gotta get on that invite too. They're like really good. I mean, Kent was it's just a lot of optimism there, I took out of that. I heard that when I was driving. Caught like the last 7, 8 minutes maybe.
Yeah.
I said update Wednesday for Colorado then. Skill up. They
Uh,
finally got it right. I think they were sending, I got emails from three people. Is this date okay? I know you're copied on them. The state of Connecticut at its best.
yes, I mean I ended up responding
I saw that.
on Thursday because he reached out to you. Yeah. I saw the one to both you and me saying, hey, is one of you coming? I'm like, okay, yeah, I'll be there.
Yeah. That worked out. That'll work out perfectly too, I think.
Yeah. Once we get the dates nailed down and everything.
Yeah.
Which on another, I'm already having conversations with Marcus, Meg, Gina, and Max, new batch of interns coming in this summer.
Wow.
Yeah, so they're already starting to plan out. I mean, what they've told me so far is they want like their first week here to go through all the lead stuff, and I'm like, well, I've been doing a yellow belt outside of PTA. I'm basically giving them the same thing, so I can probably give them the yellow belt
Oh,
here.
that is perfect. Especially the way, the amount of stuff they get for 15 hours. It's like I just finished one up at Hubbard Hall last Thursday. Marion, I'm going to finish Wednesday, but it's just the amount, they get, especially with the 8 ways in the church every week to start and all that. I don't know. I just think for the interns, that'd just be more than they can sign up for.
Yeah, I mean, I'm reviewing, what I got, what I put together for the interns last year, what my recent lesson plans look like for skill up, and seeing it. Again, it'll be conversations of like, all right, how much can I get? And that also, cater it from there. How many people are we getting? What type of project are they working on? All those fun things there, so I can make adjustments.
Yeah. It's cool because I think, the big board is I got it next and I brought my T level and everything last time I ever did it. So just tomorrow cleaning it up. But then it's like, like if you're doing a yellow ball, if people wanted to join or help you coach it or just be involved, it's kind of cool. We have all that information on one place. It seems like there's just a lot going on.
Yeah.
The perfect setup one tomorrow, 12:30. I think we talked about the fib tech. And again, it's as simple as SMED means less than 10 minutes. Is this feasible? That's all I want to try to get to and just see how close we can get from whether it's an hour and a half or whatever job they pick. That's kind of repetitive. Got the team picked. I'm kind of going very deliberately with this, because I just want to work through the MAC with it slowly with this team. So my objective tomorrow would be to have that team together.
Okay.
Michael leading it. So yeah, that one there. And then green belts we're at. Um Eileen, Madeline, and Nick. We're into normality testing homework. Do you remember that? Like if I only have like 15 pieces of data, I can see if it's normal, so I know I can use certain hypothesis tests. Um, they're right on target. They're fine. I think they'll get two homeworks this week, none next week. So they have 2 weeks to do these two. And the second one is just doing the ANOVA using the data pack, which is to highlight the data and it tells you any differences within or between groups. That's it. And so it's just we're into the tedium of I brought you up at last week's meeting because we got into hypothesis tests. I said I've only known one person that made it, I thought that the hypothesis test was their favorite. That's great. Um, let's see. A3 101, I think I just that's up to Rob, whatever he wants, and Tom. And then the coaching A3 101, I got responses from pretty much quite a few people. So I'm thinking next Monday or Tuesday morning early doing the meet and greet on it. The two things I'm going
Okay.
to I wanted to add to it was one, the hierarchy of human needs, and how, in order to get to the next level of need, you have to satisfy the one below it. I need air, water, food. Then I need security. Then I need relationships. And at the top is I need control of my life. I need to be like, I want to be able to solve my own problems. And I think that's where the A3 process lives. And the other thing I want to add, I added is a progression, the progression that you need to do policy deployment. So if you want to move the needle, like what are all the things that got to be put in place? And one of them is I have to have the ability, to do Kaizen at all levels, in these improvement activities, you know what I mean, and get as many people involved. So, and that's all, most of it's on the second session, that where those are going to get added. I think the first session I'm pretty set with, which is taking everybody through the improvement kata and the coaching kata. Yeah. So that's going
Okay.
rolling. What do you got for me? What do you want me to do?
Well, so one thing, I did get instructions from Doug to make sure that you give him a call at some point.
Yes, I got that.
I mean, I let him know this was Thursday his retirement party. Just like make sure that a bill greeter gives me a call. I'm like I let him know yesterday. So
I did. I reached out to him. I didn't get back. I'll touch base with him again, but I just said I'm going to miss you.
yeah,
And I do. It's cool dude. Cool
yeah.
dude.
I mean, I know he was leaving for vacation like at 3 in the morning on Friday. So I think he's down in Florida
Maybe
at this
that's
point in
why.
time. Yeah,
Maybe that's why. Yeah, I got him on my list. Maybe I'll throw it on here so I'll never forget. This thing is really good because I can't. It's like Ritalin for me. Like this quick huddle we have. So I'll see you tomorrow, brother. Look
yeah.
forward
See you
to it.
tomorrow.
Yeah. Thank you a lot, man.
Oh, no problem. Thank you.
All right, bye.